What's up my friend, welcome back to the channel for a new video. If you're new here, quick recap, my name is John. I'm making some videos, review, tutorial about drone and filmmaking. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, if you like the channel, and if you're a drone pilot, can be interesting for you. In today's video, I want to show you where I find my musics and my sound effects for my videos. The website that I use is called Epidemic Sound. First, I want to thank them because they asked me a few weeks ago if I want to be a part of the team, like an ambassador for them. And I say, yeah, of course, because I'm using this website for all my videos, so why not? And what I like about Epidemic Sound is the fact that you have some really nice music, but also tons of sound effects available on the website. And for me, sound effects are a huge part of my videos because it makes the difference. I mean, a video with just the music, it can be great, but when you add that sound effects on the videos, it's just the salt into it. So yeah, let's watch this intro video without the music, just with the sound effects, and you will see how huge is the difference when you add some sound effects. You see the difference with the sound effects? There is some effects that you can't really understand without the music, because I'm always trying to sync my footage with my music first and then add some sound effects. And also this specific music for this intro have some like bird effect into it, so having this music plus the sound design around is just the perfect combo for a video. So that's why I love this website, because you have everything in one platform and it's really great. I'm also using tracks from Epidemic Sound just for tutorial like this. and I'm using this music only for the background music of my tutorial while I'm talking. Also, if you're a YouTuber like me, the good thing is that all the music on Epidemic Sound, when you have an account, are free for copyright, so you can make YouTube videos and monetize your videos. That's a great point too. Now let's talk about how it works, and I'm really happy to make this video right now because they just did a huge update of the website, and now it's so much more easier to find some good music and sound effects. It was good before, but now it's just the next level. Now let's see how the website looks like. On the first page you can find some staff picks, which are some tracks selected from Epidemic Sound team, I guess. On the bottom of the page you can find the prices. If you're like me for YouTube or Instagram, I recommend you this personal account. It's 13 euro per month, so it's nothing for all that you can get from this website. Then you can go on top, you have different tabs here, and let's start with browse. And here they change everything because before it was really not like that. So now you can find for different genres and moods, and you can find all the different genres here. And if you go to the bottom of the page, you can find more different genres, and it's really great. Or you can choose by the moods, and here you have different moods for your videos. If you are making a epic video, dreamy, different moods, and you can find more moods on the bottom of the page. Other things that I love is that when you click for hip hop, for example, you can also find different moods of hip hop. You have some tags here, or different genres of hip hop too, like alternative hip hop, mainstream, old school. And here on vocal you can find some vocal tracks or instrumental tracks, so it's really helpful to have all these tags. You can choose by the duration of the tracks, by the BPM. You can adjust the BPM if you want more like a slow beats or things like that. You can change everything now. Same for the moods. If you choosing a mood like epic, you have also different moods, different genres of epic music. Same here, vocal or instrumental tracks, different duration and BPM. Another good things that I like on Epidemic Sound is that, for example, if I like this track, I can just click here on find similar, and it automatically show you similar tracks as the one that you love. So you can just listen a list of tracks who have the same moods. It's like the same song of the one that you love, and it's really great. Next to this you have albums, which are some different albums. You can find here, for example, Epidemic Hip Hop YouTube channel selected track and different albums, but I don't really use this tab. Then you have sound effects, and here is the same. They change everything now. All is organized. So if you're looking for some ambience sound, you can just click here, and you have more different sound effects here on the bottom of the page. And when you click on ambience, for example, you have also some tags. So you have traffic, loop, birds, insects. You can choose different and add different tags. For example, if I want ambience city, and then you have all the sound here. So tags are really helpful to find the perfect song that you want. Then you have latest, so it's the latest track that you can find. And here same, you can find different genre and different moods, vocal or instrumental track, but here are the latest track that you can find on the website, and you can sort by different tempo or things like that. If you listen a track and you really like it, you have the stem here. If you didn't know what are the stems, it's all the different part of a track, so it's really great being able to download all the different part of the tracks. And the last thing that I want to show you on the website is the search bar, and they really change it. So now you can search for music or sound effects. You have your search history here. So for example, I'm looking for whoosh sound effects, and if you didn't know what are whoosh sound effects, is the sound that we use for transition, like it's those kind of sound. I'm looking for whooshes, and now as you can see, again you have some tags, and it's so much easier because you have some different whooshes like delay, so you can have the tag like whooshes but with delay. So you have some different kind of whooshes, and it's so much easier to find the perfect sound effects that you want. Thank you Epidemic Sound for this massive update, because it's really great like that. So thank you for this. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Now you know where I find my music and my sound effects for my videos, and the benefit of having an account on this kind of website. Epidemic Sound gave me the opportunity to offer you a 30 days trial on the website. You can find the link in the description. So if you want to start using the website right now, just click on the link below on description and you can start using it. Just subscribe, you have 30 days trial. If you don't like it, you can stay like this, and if you like it, you can take an account on Epidemic Sound. And by the way, if you're making YouTube videos or for Instagram, if you don't want to have some problems with claims and copyrights, I highly recommend you to take an account on Epidemic Sound or another website like this if you want. This is why I like Epidemic Sound, because you have musics, sound effects, and the new update is just crazy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. If you have something to tell me, leave a comment below. I will answer you with pleasure like always. See you next week for another video. Salut!